6 Ways to Reduce Your Mailchimp Costs, marketing managed by Philip Bacon. Reduce your monthly Mailchimp costs with our helpful tips. With all businesses feeling the pinch, you'll be looking at ways to reduce your overheads. The only thing to remember is that email marketing is the most effective in terms of keeping a high level of return on investment for any business. Of course, we understand that this means every contact counts, even unsubscribed ones, and very quickly bills start adding up. We aren't talking about huge bills, but we saw costs increase from what was £150 a month increase to 180, then 200, then 210, and the numbers keep creeping up. But we are here to help keep your costs to a minimum. For budget-conscious marketers, this can cause a little bit of a problem partway through a financial year. With budgets confirmed in advance and money having to be moved from one pot to another. To get around this increase, there are a number of activities that the savvy email marketer can do. 1. Delete contacts. Not the first thing that most marketers want to do, but it is the standard reaction when costs start increasing. Cut the list down.
When should you do this?
You should only do this to contacts that you know are dead and are of absolutely no use to you anymore. With some of the new features within Mailchimp, the uncontactable contacts still carry some value for targeted adverts and lookalike audiences. Second, run a re-opt-in campaign. Running a re-opt-in campaign, you will find out who is and who isn't interested in you as a brand. Those who aren't interested, you can safely assume aren't going to want to see social adverts either. These should also be part of your permissions request. 3. Change your package. It is quite obvious, but changing your base package will save you money if you have a small list under 2,000 contacts and you don't need all the features of a paid service. Drop to the free package. If you don't want to use the social retargeting, drop to Essentials. Compare the plans and see if you are using all the features of the plan you are on. 4. Check your Mandrill sends. Are you sending transactional mail via Mandrill? If you are and it is a low volume, consider switching to another platform. For instance, Send in Blue. If you have a high volume, review what emails are going out. Could you condense the number of emails and move content around to bring your overall send count down by a block? For every block you can reduce your send count by, it saves up to $20 a block. 5. Reduplicate your audiences. If you have multiple audiences, merge them into one and manage them with tags. Not only will it make your marketing more effective, but it will also reduce the number of contacts you have in your lists. All their history will be in one place and you can identify where they came from easily. Recently, we have reduced an account's audience by 4 audience lists and about 20,000 contacts, saving them almost £600 plus VAT over a year. 6th, archive. One of the lesser used features within Mailchimp's audience management tool is the archive feature. By using this, you can keep your contacts, their history, and restore them. By archiving them, they don't count towards your contact count and therefore you don't get billed for them. If you want help with this, we can put a strategy in place to help you keep your costs down and also reduce your costs from your next bill. Read more about our email services here. We are beyond. Bacon Marketing provides a full review, streamlining and optimization service that will take your marketing and advertising to the next level. Please see our range of services or complete the form to discuss your needs with us. Straightforward approach. We always start by finding out about your business, it's unique. Then we get to work on planning, building your strategy and adding sizzle to your marketing. Our combined backgrounds are a combination of both generalist and digital marketers, largely focused on digital marketing and also how it can be blended with offline marketing. It has meant that we have had to be hands-on and strategic.
Speak to us.